A very good morning, students. So, this is your fifth session of Chapter 5 Heat. Today, we will see thermal expansion of solid, liquid, and gases. Let us understand thermal expansion in solid. Have you ever rubbed the metallic solid with each other? It produces heat, and due to which it generally expands. It expands in area, volume, and shape. If a iron rod is being exposed to a heat, it expands. This is because of the thermal expansion. So, what is thermal expansion? Thermal expansion is a process where body expands in either area, volume or shape when heated. So, thermal expansion take place in solid, liquid and gas. Hence, the length, area and volume all increases on heating a solid. The increase in length of a solid is called linear expansion. The increase in area is called superficial expansion and increase in volume is called cubical expansion. The solid molecules are very closely packed to each other, so the expansion in solid is not seen too much. Let's understand with an activity that how the solid expands on heating. Now take a metallic ball and a ring. Now make the metallic ball and pass through a ring. You can see that a metallic ball has been easily passed. Now heat a metallic ball for some times and take a heated ball and make it to pass through a ring. Now you are seeing that it is getting difficult, which means that metallic ball size has been increased. Now allow the metallic ball to cool for some times. Now again take it and make it to pass through a ring. Now it has been passed very easily again through the ring. The metallic ball on heating its size increases, so it does not pass through the ring. The increase of the size of the solid on heating is called expansion. Hence, it is also called the solid expansion on heating. Now let us understand the thermal expansion in liquids. As we all know that the liquid molecules are far away from each other than in solid. So thermal expansion in liquid on heating is more than the solid at the same temperature. Let's understand with another activity that how the thermal expansion in solid is taking place. Now let us understand with an experiment that how the expansion is taking place in liquid. Take a round bottom flask and fill it with a colored water up to its neck. Then insert a glass tube into it and fix it with a cork. Fix this entire apparatus with a tripod stand. After fixing this entire apparatus, note the initial rise of water as P1. Now make this entire apparatus to heat for some times. After heating for some times, you can see that there is a rise of water up to P2. Then after heating again for some more times, you can see that the liquid expansion is taking place up to P3. Thus, we conclude that liquid expands on heating. So I hope you have understood. Let us see the thermal expansion in gases, that how it is taking place. In gases, the molecules of gases are very far away from each other than in solid or liquid. Therefore, the gases molecules vibrates more and take up more space after heating. Let us understand with an activity to demonstrate the expansion in gases. Let's take a plastic bottle and a balloon. Now fix this balloon on the mouth of the plastic bottle. Fix the balloon very properly onto it. Now place this plastic bottle which is fixed with a balloon on one side. Our step number 2 is take a pan of water which is icy and cold. Now take another pan of water which is hot and boiling. Now the next step is place this plastic bottle into a hot water. After some times you can see that there is a inflammation which is taking place in a balloon. Then take this plastic bottle outside and allow it to cool for some times. Thus, we understood with this experiment that gases expand on heating and their expansion is very large as compared to solid liquids. And so in this video what we have learned solid, liquids and gases expand when heated. Thermal expansion causes an object to expand when heated and gases expand most when heated.